Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys my new, I had the old, cable one, plug on the wall type of saw, uh, but I decided to get something nice because lately I've been doing a lot of DIYs and I just needed something that's efficient, something that works better. I'm not a pro in any of this, but I just like to learn and to share my experiences and to have fun in the middle of it. So this is my new tool that I just bought. It's a DeWalt 20 volts, 8 amps uh, saw. If you can see, it's a DeWalt 20 volts brushless. I've never had one of these like cordless ones, but I'm kind of loving this one. Like this thing works so well. I've used it a couple of times and I really enjoy it. It's got like this little clippy thing here that you can hang it on something if you try to uh, go up on top or try to cut something, uh, and it falls right there. Um, this is a 7.5 inch, 7 1/4 blade. Um, it's pretty quiet. It's not as loud as the other one that I had. It's plugged into the wall. I like this one a lot. Um, it looks like that. It came with, this is the saw that came with it. It's a 20T carbide teeth. It's a framing blade. All right. This is the battery. It just comes with one battery. Uh, it's a lithium ion battery. It's pretty big. Right now, you can check if it's charged right here by pushing that little button. I like that. Some of them you don't even know if the charger just dies on you without realizing. But this one is pretty solid. It's kind of it's nice. I like the hand right here. I think they all have this, but this seems just so nice. Seems like it's so steady and just amazing. It's got measuring right here. It's got a 45 angle cut right here if you wanted to cut a 45. It says power detect. I don't know what that means, but it's right there. Just wanted to walk through with you guys so you can see how it looks like. And also it comes with a charger. This is the charger right here, and it's a fast charge. The cool thing with DeWalt tools nowadays is like this will work on any tool. I can plug this in my 20 volt drill and it still works. It's just gonna be a lot of amps on it. It's not recommended, but it will work. But this one plugs in here pretty easy, like that, and it charges. Right now it's fully charged. I don't need to charge it, but it's not nice. It comes with this. I also got this good deal on Black Friday. I like to share that. These were on sale on Black Friday. I can't remember how much I got this for, but it was a really good price compared, like if you go right now to try to buy one of these. So this is it. This is how it looks like. It's very, very nice. I enjoy it. Let me plug in the battery so you guys can see how it works. So plug in the battery like that. And if to run it, there's like there's two things here, a button right here and then a button here. So for it to run, you have to push this both at the same time. So if you push this and then the trigger, then it goes like that, and that's how it goes. Push that little trigger there, and it goes. You can just feel the power when you run it. But just clicking on that, you just feel the power. I like it. It's got a lot of power and it works amazing. So if you're looking for a saw like this one, a chop saw like this, this is not a chop saw. This is the chop saw is the one you sit down the miter saw. That's the chop saw, right? I don't know if this is a chop saw, but this works. I don't know what this is called. So you guys experts out there, can you tell me what this is called? right? But I know it's a saw. It works. You can. It's a rip saw maybe, because I use it mostly for ripping pieces of plywood. I can use it as a chop saw too to cut 2x4s and 2x6s and stuff. But this is like work. This does a lot of things, you know, and I like it. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I have and what I got. I love this one. Um, it comes with this little, with the wrench back here to take these things off, to take the blade off. It's right here in the back. This is it. This is the DeWalt 20 volts saw. Okay. Yeah, always trying to find some deals. So if you know, Black Friday was a really good. This year was really good for me. I got a lot of my tools that I needed, things that I really wanted to buy that were more expensive throughout the year. But on Black Friday, these were all online, so you couldn't buy it in store. You had to order it online, and that's how I got the deal. I waited for a week, but I got it. All right. So here it is, 20 volts DeWalt. Comes with a charger. It's cool, very, very nice. It's not too heavy. Beautiful tool, beautiful tool. All right. All right, so if you have any questions about this, you want me to use it sometime, I can try to use it so you guys can see how it works. I will do that. Drop a comment there and let me know what kind of questions you have, if you want me to use it, so before you can buy it, so you can see how good it works. I can rip some wood for you tomorrow, so you can see. If you're not a DeWalt fan, tell me why, and why do you like the other brand? I just have DeWalt everything tool for some reason. I got some other brand of tools, but most of my tools are DeWalt's. I just like them, you know. I just like the compatibility of like this, the battery works in all of them. It makes life easier for me. If you enjoy stuff like this and you enjoy DIY stuff, let me know what you think. Have a good night.